welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie, and today is Mystery Box Monday, which means I have a mystery box to open. So today's mystery box is part 2 of Kraemer Yarn's 10-pound mystery boxes. What happened was that a while ago they had some 10-pound mystery boxes go up. I purchased one and I opened it last Monday. And it was really weird because right after I had purchased it, they had sold out and everything, and like, I think it was within the same week, they said that they had more mystery boxes in, and I really didn't think that I was going to get one because they sell out really fast. But I went to the site, and I just put one in my cart really quickly, and I said, check out, and I was like, ah! And I ended up getting 2 of the 10-pound mystery boxes, so, today I'm going to open this one, which is another 10-pound mystery box. What I'm mostly interested in is, would I get this the same? Would I get this different? And how many, things of yarn I get? Because I was like, what should I say? Hanks? Skeins? Because I don't know. I don't know which version they're going to come in. But how many things of them that I get? Last time I got a 10-pound box and I had 48, okay? And, you have to pay for shipping with their mystery boxes, but their mystery boxes are really, really well priced, okay? So this was $37.50, I think. And then I paid for shipping, which brought it up to $53. They are out of Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and they basically ship based on how far away you are, okay? I'm in Arkansas. And, by the way, they ship out really fast, generally. Usually I get them within a couple of days, okay? And my best friend lives in Pennsylvania, so I know how long it takes to get from Arkansas to Pennsylvania and back and forth, because we always send each other mail. Anyway, at the end of this video, I am going to tell you some tips on how to get a mystery box from Kraemer Yarn, okay? But for now, we're going to go ahead and dig into the box, okay? Ooh, I'm seeing some yarn I didn't expect. Okay, so last time I got some skeins that looked like this, okay? And it looks like I got a bunch more. And I was saying that it looked kind of like a brick red. And this feels like an acrylic wool blend. I mean, I want to just bet that it's acrylic wool blend, but I don't know for certain, so don't take my word for it. Oh, it smells so good. The Kraemer Yarn mystery boxes tend to smell like wool. To me, that smells good. Other people, maybe not so much. Anyway, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these brick red colors. I think that's great, especially since I already have some, so wow. Now, this is something new. Yeah, definitely new. And, it's the exact, I think, it feels the same as this. Same weight. Yeah, it feels the same as this, only it's blue. It's like this kind of like denim jean blue. Okay, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Alright. Moving further. Now, I think that I got this color last time. It was either this color or it was, maybe it was a little bit more brown than this color. But, I got some of these too, and I got, it looks like 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I got some of those. There's more. I also got, now I have gotten this in every single mystery box I've ever ordered from them. It feels like it could be a cotton blend. I don't know, but it's got a certain kind of, it's got a certain way that it's dyed where it's almost like, I think that they call it tatami on their site. Now, I can't promise you that that's what it is. This could have been just misdyed or something, you know, but that's what I think it is. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And I got some more of this really beautiful mohair, and you can tell it's mohair because of the aura and also just because of the feel of it. Now, I do know that Crystal at Bag O' Day posted a video of a blanket where she put these two together, okay, and she made, I think it was called the New Kids on the Block blanket, okay, and I believe she used these two colors together. So you know, you might want to check that out. Or if you get a Kraemer box of yarn and you're looking for patterns for it, just know that that's one of them, okay? Maybe I'll get talented enough to make a Kraemer yarn exclusive pattern. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, so I'm really excited about that. And I don't know if you can tell, but I've got this big pile of yarn piling up. I've got to find more. I've got more. It looks like I have 3 more colors. I love this color. Absolutely love this color. It is like this burgundy. I'm trying to think of what it's called. On their site it's called Garnet, and I only know that because I love this color. I think it looks good against my skin. Like, I can't wear red, but I could definitely wear this color. And if it doesn't look good against my skin, don't tell me, because I think it does, and just, you know, all of that stuff. But anyway, so I had some already, and I had it set aside to make a sweater with a cowl neck, and I just haven't gotten to it yet. So maybe I will make a Kraemer yarn exclusive project. But anyway, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 of those, which is cool. Now I've also gotten this, I think maybe in all of my mystery boxes also I've gotten this navy blue color, which is really pretty. It's beautiful jewel tone blue, okay? And if you look at it like that, it really goes well together with that. But anyway, I have 2, 4, 6 of those. And last, I got this beautiful green again, this olive green. I love this color. I think this color looks good against my skin too. In fact, it's very similar to the color of my shirt. I like this color so much. Yeah. And I got 6 of those as well. So if you guys were mathing and you understand how much I got, awesome. Right now I am going to count them. And I'm going to count them by throwing them back in the box because I think that's fun. And then I'll tell you about how to, basically how to get a mystery box from Kraemer Yarn, okay? So let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, and I've got 48, because 42, 44, 46, and 48. So I got the same amount of balls in this 10-pound box as I got in my other 10-pound box. So I can't say for this for certain because you never know. When you buy a mystery box, you never know. You never know if you're going to get the same stuff, if you're going to get different stuff, if you're going to get a whole bunch of the same stuff, for example. If you're going to get something completely different, if you're going to get more, if you're going to get less, and all that kind of stuff. You don't know, okay? So I want to make sure you guys understand that, because I know some people have ordered mystery boxes, even from the same companies that I do, and they don't get maybe the same kind of stuff, and it's disappointing and all of that. It's for the mystery, okay? It's mostly for the mystery. I personally have never been disappointed with a Kraemer yarn box, okay? But then again, maybe some of you guys who don't like wool so much, you know, I don't know. But here is how you shop for a Kraemer yarn mystery box. First off, I would suggest if you have Facebook, sign up with their Facebook group, okay? They have a Facebook group. I think it's like an open join. You just join them, and they basically, you know, they want you to just post about the yarn there and what you've made with the yarn and stuff like that, you know. So if you go there and you're like, I want a box, you know, I mean, that's not the best way to go about it. But they have the past like 2 or 3 times that they've stocked their boxes, they've mentioned it on Facebook first, okay? So that's one way that you can get that notification. Another way is that they have an email a newsletter, okay, that you can sign up for. Now, I personally have never received an email newsletter from them before they stocked it or telling me that they were stocked, but I am subscribed to their newsletter just in case they decide to send out an email saying, hey, we've got mystery boxes, okay? The other way, and I can tell you this definitely works because it worked for me and it worked for Crystal, and I mean, it is kind of, it's kind of tedious, but if you really want one, if you like, you know, and understand, I really, really wanted one. The very first time that I got a mystery box, what I did was, I used Firefox. I had an open tab at all times with Kraemer's website on it, okay? And I'll put the website below, okay, so you can find it. And I just went to Yarn, I went to mystery boxes, and I just reloaded it every time I remembered to. I just reloaded it and checked it, and then it was like kind of like the way that I do with my email throughout the day, okay? So I just had it up for maybe about a month, maybe 6 weeks, before I just happened to reload and they had them in stock. So those are the ways that I have purchased my mystery boxes. I know that Crystal does what she calls the site stalking, like that's pretty much all she does. The last 2, like, okay, I got my first 20-pound box by doing the site stalking thing where I was just reloading over and over again, and then I got the last 2 10-pound boxes by following their Facebook group, and so I got those alerts. Alright guys, so hopefully you know everything you need to know about how to get a Kraemer mystery box. I have no idea how often they stock them. I don't know if it's like once every 3 months or several times every 3 months or what. I don't know. I have no idea. If it seems dark here, it's because it is storming outside. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you soon with another video. Bye!